In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, managing a team schedule, or arranging regular catch-ups, knowing how to create a recurring meeting is essential for maintaining consistency and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Let's go through the process step by step. First, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Open your web browser, navigate to the Teams website, and make sure you have your login details ready. Once you're logged in, look for the calendar icon on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you can view and manage all of your scheduled meetings. Inside the calendar, you'll see a list of upcoming meetings. Select the meeting that you want to make recurring. This will be the event you'll convert into a series rather than a one-time session. After selecting the meeting, click on the Edit option. This opens additional settings and allows you to make the necessary adjustments. Editing is crucial here because it gives you access to the recurring meeting functionality. Within the meeting edit settings, look for the option that says Does Not Repeat. Click on it to change the setting. This menu provides several frequency options for your recurring meeting, including daily, weekly, or monthly. For this example, let's choose the weekly option. Weekly scheduling works perfectly for team check-ins, project updates, or status meetings where the same group of people meets regularly. However, you can select whichever frequency best fits your needs. The next step is setting the start date for your recurring series. You might want the series to begin next week or align it with the start of a new month. Pick the date that works best, then confirm your choice. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. Your recurring meeting will now be locked into your calendar, and all participants will receive an updated invitation covering the series. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring Microsoft Teams meeting. By following these steps, you can ensure your meetings are consistently scheduled, which helps streamline both workflow and communication. If you'd like to explore more options, you can check additional resources, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching,